In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create shorts on YouTube. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So what YouTube have done is they have released a beta, so you can go ahead now and create shorts directly on YouTube. So first of all, if I head over to my channel, as you can see at the bottom of the screen, there is a little plus sign right in the middle. If you click on this, what that will do is it will bring this little drop down menu, and as you can see now, there is an option to create a short. If you click on create a short, you will be redirected to this. So what you can do first of all is simply record your short by pressing the red button. Once you have finished recording your short, all you simply need to do is leave it for the time to run out, or you can click on the stop. Once you have done that, as you can see, you can flip it, you can change the speed, the timer, etc. Once you're happy, you can click on the tick icon, and then what you can do from here is you can add a sound. So YouTube have a lot of sounds in their library here, so you can choose any of those. You can also add a text, so if I put tutorial, you can change the color, background. You can also trim down the timeline and edit it inside of the shorts. Click on done, and you can also add a filter. Once you have done all that, you can click on the next icon, and here is where you will choose a title and upload your shorts. So you obviously can choose a title, whether it's public or private, and then once you've gone ahead and entered in all those details, all you simply need to do is click on the upload button, and then that will be uploaded to your channel. So that's how you can go ahead and create shorts on YouTube.